Alrighty, here we go. Section 11.2, example 1. Find each indicated measure. Part A, area of a circle with a radius of 8.5 inches. So obviously we're using the core concept that's been right before this, which is area of a circle. And the area of a circle is pi r squared. You need to memorize that. You need to know that forever and ever and ever. When you do a home improvement project or something, you're going to use this. True story. Okay, so the area of a circle with the radius of 8.5 inches. All you have to do is substitute in 8.5 inches into the radius, multiply it to pi, and then boom, have your answer. So it's going to equal pi times 8.5 inches squared, which comes out to be, so 8.5 squared times pi is 226.98. I guess I have to write that. I could round it to 227, and I don't know if they're going to be picky, but we'll just stick with 226.98. 226.98 inches to the second power, squared inches. You have to include that, or else it's wrong. That was easy. Okay, now let's find the diameter. Okay, we're gonna go backwards. Diameter is the radius times 2, right? So if you cut the diameter in half, you have a radius. Multiply the radius by 2, you have a diameter. So the diameter of the circle with an area of that. So they gave us the area. 153.94 squared feet equals pi r squared, right? Right. Okay, we need to find the diameter. So we got to find, we can replace, well, we need to find what the radius is and then multiply it by 2. So what I'm going to do is first divide by pi on both sides. This will eliminate the pi over here, and then I'm left with this number over here, and that will look like this. How do I get just r? How do I get rid of this square? I do the square root. So going to take the square root of both sides, and r is going to equal whatever number that's going to be. So let's plug it into our calculator. Square root, and then a parenthesis comes up, and I'm going to do 153.94 divided by pi, close parentheses, equals 7.0000445, but I'm 7. That's not my answer, that's just the radius. I have to multiply this by 2 because the diameter is 2r. So if I multiply this by 2, 2r is going to be 14. So my diameter is 14 feet. Don't forget feet, because feet squared, when you do the square root of feet cubed or squared, they just cancel out, so you're left with feet. I almost forgot, I almost lost a point. Okay, you can see all the way down there. Okay, so my radius is 7 feet. 2r is my diameter, so I get 14 feet, so the diameter is 14 feet.